Okay, so before I write the topic, I want to ask you few questions. If I ask you, where do you study? One word answer. I want one word answer, not address. Okay, I don't want any kind of address. I just want one word answer. Where do you study? Okay, school. Okay, school. Okay, you are saying you study in school. Okay. And where do you live? Where do you live? Okay, you live in a home. Okay, okay, home. Okay, Jalandhar. Okay. Where do you sleep actually? If I asked, where do you sleep or where do you go after the school ends? Where do you go after the school ends? Okay, you are saying house, home, 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 home. Okay, so see, some of you are saying home, some of you are saying house, right? Do you think there is any difference between house and a home? No? Same, na? These are same. House and home, same. One and the same thing. Right. So yes, it is. Now, our topic is, means our new poem that we are going to start today is a house, a home. A house, a home. Now the problem is, okay, these are synonyms, okay, correct. But what do you think that why the writer has given the same name, means a house, a home? It is like beautiful, pretty, like this. Is it a mistake or just to enhance your knowledge or just to give you various words for one, you can say, particular thing? That is why the poet has written this. This is the name of the poet, Lorraine M. Halley. Okay, Lorraine M. Halley. M stands for Martha. Okay, M stands for Martha. So the name of the poet is Lorraine M. Halley, means Lorraine Martha Halley. And the poet is from America, American poet. Okay. Now, the title, coming back to the title, A House, a Home. This is the title of our new poem, the poem that we are going to just read. Can you explain me the meaning, means why, what is the reason? Can you think what is the reason that the poet has done this? A house, a home. No? Anshuman is saying no. Okay, Saksham is saying yes. Saksham, then please tell me the reason. Why do you think the poet has done this? Yes.
Ma'am, there is a difference between a house and a home. A
Okay.
physical where we live is known as house, but where our family, our family is also known as home in
Okay, okay. Almost,
in
almost.
a kind.
Close enough, close enough. So yes. Yes, good, good, good. Saksham, good. So now let's start the reading. Let us see whether the Saksham, whether the meaning given by Saksham is correct or not. Right? So I'm going to share a video. Okay? In that video, you will see how the poem is being. Yes, Anshuman, I have read. Yes, yes, Anshuman, correct, correct. You are also correct. It is correct. Okay, so I'm going to share the video. So get ready. I hope you can see it.
By Lorraine M. Halley.
Is it visible? And can you hear it? Yes, can you hear it and is it visible? If yes, then I'll play again. I'll start.
House, a home. By
Okay then, so done, right? You are saying done. So let's, all of you take out your, Anshuman, I'm not playing it right now. I have paused it. All of you take out your book. Page number 15, a house, a home. Right. So let's start. Listen carefully, okay?
A house, a home. By Lily M. Polly. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass, and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tiled floors, and stucco and roof and boxy doors. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you're always caring.
So yes. Have you heard? Okay, sure, it is okay. It is okay, no problem. So, very small poem, right? In which, if you have heard it properly, if you were listening properly, so I think now you must have an idea that this poem is about a house and a home. Difference. There is a difference, right? If you were listening carefully, then you must have got an idea that there is a difference between a house and a home. So it means the explanation given by Saksham is correct, right? And Anshuman also, he has also given the same explanation, okay? So now, let's start for your different words. I'll directly show you the pictures, okay? So let's start. Let me share the screen. But I think now you have your books. Still okay. So let's, a house, a house, a home. Is it visible? I have shared the screen. I hope the screen is visible. Be quick. Visible or not? Yes. Okay then. Okay then. Let's start. Okay then. A house, a home. First, they have asked us one thing. What is the difference between a house and a home? Now discuss it with your partner. We have already now almost seen the recitation of this poem, and we have got the idea that house is made up of various materials, right? Means there are bricks, stones, wood, there are so many things, right? And if I talk about a home, home means family members, okay? Home means family members and house means material things. Got it? So now let's start. What is a house? The poet has started this poem with a question, right? Why? Just to invoke, just to make you involve in this poem so that you can start thinking from the beginning only, okay, that there is a difference between a house and a home. Okay, so let's start. So that is why the poet has started this poem with a question. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. This is the explanation given by the poet about a house, right? About a house. If I talk about house, after this, after explaining this, I'll ask what are the things involved in the house. So let's come to the meaning part. What is a house? It's brick and stone. I hope you know the meaning of brick and stone, and wood, that's hard, some window glass, and perhaps a yard. Yard. Can you see this? A yard, a kind of garden, you can say, or open space in front of your house or in at the back side of your house. Okay, that is called a yard. Got it? Yard, open space, kind of, you can say, you can use it as a garden also, open space in front of your house or at the back of your house. Then next is, it's eaves. Eaves. See the eaves. These are eaves. This hanging part, na? These are eaves. See? This hanging part. And sometimes the joints. These joints are also called eaves. Where we join the, it is kind of hut like this, na? So, this part is sometimes also called eaves. Otherwise, the part that is hanging, this is called eaves. Okay? Next is chimneys. Chimneys, so meaning is quite simple. That helps you to let out the smoke, right? Let the smoke out of the house. That is chimneys. Now chimneys are quite in trend nowadays. Like we have chimneys in our kitchens. Okay. And then there is the word stucco. Okay. Stucco means this design. This design on the ceiling. Can you see the design that is made up of POP, plaster of Paris? Can you see the design? See the design. This is called stucco. Okay, it is made up of plaster of Paris, POP. Again, it is in trend nowadays. We decorate the ceiling. Now we don't have usually the plain ceilings, but some decoration or some patterns are there. Okay, so these are stucco. So, is it clear? Are the meanings clear? The meanings and the pictures that I have shown? Clear or not? Okay, so means now you have an idea what is a yard, open ground, right? Open space, and then eaves, joints, or you can say, or the hanging parts of that roof. Okay, then is chimneys that let the smoke out. Then stucco means design. Okay, design made up of plaster of Paris or POP. Meanings clear or not? Because if the meanings are not clear, then you won't be able to understand the poem. Meanings clear? Thumbs up. Be quick. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, very good, very good, good. Okay, good. So let's continue. I'll share it again. So according to the poet, a house is just made of material things, right? Made of material things. You can say various things, various patterns are involved, bricks are involved, stone, wood. I hope you also know that. You are sitting right now, you are in your house. If you just turn your head, right? If you just look around, you can see windows, you can see doors also, you can see window glass, fan. Then obviously now, right now, it is, your house is properly painted and all, but you clearly know that behind that house, that behind that paint, there are bricks, right? Bricks are used, then cement is used. So according to the poet, a house is just a physical structure, okay? A house is physical structure that is made of material like brick, stone, wood, glass, and then obviously to make our house attractive, comfortable, what we do, we add a yard. Sometimes there is a yard, right? You can say a garden in front or at the back of our house. Then we have chimneys to let the smoke out of our house, and then we have eaves where wall proper hangings are there. Then tile floors. Right now tiles are in fashion, tiles, marbles, or whatever. So we have tile floors, and then various patterns are now made using POP on ceilings also, right? And then we have roof, we have doors, so many things, and everything, if you can see, material, right? Material. Got it? So what is a house? House is a physical structure, you can say. It is physical a physical structure. A house is a physical structure, okay, that includes stone, bricks, window glass, yards, eaves, chimneys, various patterns, doors, and everything, okay? This is a physical structure. Now, when this house turns into a home, what is the difference between a house and a home? If only a building is standing, if there is only a building, right? A house is just a building. Okay, a house is just a building. But if you want to turn it into a home, let us see the explanation given by the poet. What is a home? It is loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's selfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. Right? Read it again. What is a home? Now the poet is trying to tell us about home. What is a home? Again, he has started with a question, right? Why he has started with a question? Just to make it interesting again, so that you start thinking, okay? So there is a difference between a house and a home. So a home, it's loving and family and doing for others. Right. I hope you agree that when we live in a family, what we do? We do things for others, right? We help our brothers and sisters. We help our parents also. Parents, they help us, right? So what we do? We love our family members. It is all about, home is all about family and family members. We help each other without any selfishness, without anything in our mind, without any negativity. We help each other. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mother. It's unselfish acts. One important thing. There in a home, nobody is selfish. Everything, the actions we do are unselfish, right? The actions we do are unselfish. And kindly sharing. Definitely we share with each other. Yes, I totally agree. When it comes to siblings, mean brother and sister, yes, we do fight. We don't want to give the chocolate to them. We don't want to share our Maggie with them, right? I agree. I totally agree. But still, we care for them. It is not like this, na? If somebody hits your brother, if somebody hurt your brother or sister, you will just stand and stare like this. No, you will act because you love them, right? It is only you can fight with them, but nobody else can. So same way, we share We show love to our loved ones. Loved ones mean our family members, and we are always caring. We always care, right? We want to take care of them. We want them to be always happy. So, according to the poet, this is a home. Clear? Simple? Now, is it okay? Can you tell me the difference now? Home means family, family members. So can you tell me, where are you right now? Where are you right now? In a house or in a home? It's actually your home now, because it is not just a building. You are living in that building with your family members, with lots of love, care, sharing, and everything. Definitely, you can ask me that what if we fight, sometimes we have misunderstandings, that is okay. But still, we care, we love, right? We cannot see our family members hurt. We do not want to hurt them. So there is love in a home, there is family, there is love, there is care, there is sharing. Is it okay? This is a home. When just a building is there, it is called a house. Okay? Full of material things, stone, brick, there is stone, wood, various patterns, bricks, roof, tiles, floor and all, right? But if I talk about home, family. Home means family, where everyone is connected. Okay, where everyone is connected. We think about each other. We care. Okay, we love them. So this is the major difference between a house and a home. Got it? Simple poem. Any confusion, any problem? If you have any confusion, any problem, you can ask me right now. If no, then we'll start the back exercise as the poem is over. Why should I start with the back exercise? I think I should ask you. I am going to ask Shaurya. Where is Shaurya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Can you explain me what is a house?
ma'am. A house is made of bricks and
Hanji.
stones, woods, materials.
Okay, and
Ma'am, it is a building.
yes, it is just a building. Very
Building.
good, very good, very good. And okay, let me ask someone else now. I can see Indranil here. Indranil,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon.
Ma'am.
Indranil, can you tell me about home? When a house when a house turns into a home?
Ma'am, home is a place where we live with our family.
Yes. And what are the, you can say, basic things that are included in a home? All the ration? Biscuits,
No, ma'am.
chocolates, and sugar? No? What are the things
No.
that are involved? How can we make it a home? We live with family.
With family.
Yes. Feelings. Share the feelings. We live with love, care, share. Home is made up of feelings. Okay? Home is made up of feelings, emotions. Emotions also. Okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so good. So now let us come to page number 16. Now my work is over. I have explained you. Now it is your turn. You will answer. Clear? So Do you agree with what the poet says? I agree, right? Talk to your partner and complete these sentences. I am your partner, okay? I am your partner. A house is made of, okay, Somil. Where is Somil? Yes, Somil. Be quick. Somil, unmute yourself, bache. Yes.
Ma'am, brick.
Hmm.
A house is made of brick, stones, and wood.
Okay, very good. Brick, stone, and wood. Good. Brick, stone, and wood. Okay, next is it has dash. I have Saksham here. Saksham, bache, turn on your video also. Anshuman, good. This is also correct answer. Saksham many. Yes, bache, answer. It has dash.
Yes. मैम मैम हाउस की बात कर रहे हो?
Yes, yes, yes. It has.
Okay. मैम it has tile floors,
Okay.
stucco and roof,
Yes.
and lot of doors.
Good, good, very good. It has the answers that I got in chat part also, na chat box. Those answers are also correct. It has doors, windows, chimney, and floor, eaves, chimney, stucco, roof, doors. You can write anything, okay? Then I have Sia. Sia, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
A home is made by,
A home is made by family, love, feelings.
very good, family members, loving family members, okay? Love, emotion, feeling. Got it? Now I have Sana here. Sana, with a
Yes,
smiley
ma'am.
face, answer, it has dash. It has dash.
Ma'am,
A home.
ma'am, it has family. It has many. It has family. It has feelings. It has love. It has love.
Love,
It is mixed
yes,
with love.
Yes, it has unselfish acts. That is also important. Unselfish acts. Whatever we do for our family, that is without any selfish reason. That is just because we want our family members happy. That is why whatever we do is without any selfish acts. So you can write it has unselfish acts, kindly sharing and caring. Unselfish acts, kindly sharing and caring. Correct, Hemang. Now next is, now complete these sentences about your house and home. Your house, your home. Means you have to write about your house, okay? So, my house is, you can write, it is big, airy, then it has big rooms, it has 4 rooms, you can write anything, okay? And a big garden in front. You have to write about your house. House means you have to write about the physical structure of your place where you are living. And for home, the best thing about my home is that we all love each other and we live together happily. Or if you have any other thing, you can write about it. Don't write that we always keep on fighting. I always keep on fighting with my brother or my sister. But behind that fight, there is love, right? Behind that fight also, there is love. I cannot tolerate if anyone says anything to my brother or sister, right? Same with you. I hope you can also not even tolerate if somebody is saying anything to your brother and sister. But you can only you can fight, right? I have the right to fight with my brother and sister, and you have the right to fight with your brother and sister. Yes, good. So I hope it is clear. You can easily do it. But the main question, these are not to be done in your fair notebook, okay? The main question that you have to do in your fair notebook is write down. This is the question that you have to do in your fair notebook. I am writing it here. This is the homework. This is the question number 1. Now make sure, listen carefully. You are not supposed to write answer like this. A house, a home. If you will write it like this, I'm going to put a big cross. Okay? You have to write your answer in a paragraph. Got it? You have to write the answer in a paragraph. A house is there is a difference between a house and a home. A house is just a physical structure where different types of material things are used, right? That include these stones, wood. We have various patterns, various designs are available to build a house. But on the other hand, a house turns into a home when we live there with our family. Family members or the love of family makes a house a home. A home has love, care, sharing, emotions and feelings. You have to write at least 5 to 7 lines and in paragraph form only. Not a paragraph, but paragraph form. Got it? Next is second question. What is the name of the poem and the poet? What is the name of the poem and the poet? These are the 2 questions that you need to do in your fair notebook. Okay? Not the back exercise. That is to be done in your book only. But these 2 questions in notebook. Got it? These 2 questions in fair notebook. Fair notebook. Clear? Now if you have any doubt, no, bache, not in points also. You are not supposed to write your answers in point. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a paragraph, okay? Paragraph form. Got it? Don't write it like this. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, single para. Is it okay? So now the time is over. I hope you have understood this poem. Okay? So see you tomorrow. Bye.